Shandong Moonlight Electronics Technology Company Limited is located in the beautiful World Kite capital, Weifeng, China. The main business focuses on the research, production, sales, and service of the beauty equipment, which include diode laser, Alexandrite laser hair removal machine, ND YAG laser, IPL laser, cryoskin, EMS body sculpt machine, shockwave machine, 980 nanometer diode laser, picosecond, derma roller, multifunction devices, etc. As an advanced and professional beauty machine manufacturer in China, Shandong Moonlight has been exported products to over 102 countries up till now, include the USA, Canada, Mexico, England, Germany, France, Italy, Denmark, Holland, Portugal, Spanish, and so on. Our factory has R&D, technical, sales, after-sales, production, warehouse department. Our company adopts an international standard dust-free workshop, so the product quality and life are more guaranteed. All products are delivered through the dust-free window, fully guaranteeing product quality. Our company has got independent import and export rights. Thus, we can distribute several kinds of equipment to clients globally. Shandong Moonlight can provide timely product supply and provides the perfect technical support and after-sales service. Moonlight regards the customer's need as the aim and will push the products with more modern, perfect effect, durable quality to the market. We regard the sincere cooperation with you as the biggest honor and welcome the friends all over the world to visit and communicate at any time.